In this video, you'll learn how to add more RAM to Steam games to enhance your gaming experience. This quick guide will teach you how to manage your system resources more effectively to ensure smoother gameplay. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Task Manager on your computer. This tool is essential for monitoring and managing your system's performance. To open it, you can right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager, or simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key on your keyboard. Once the Task Manager is open, you'll be able to see a list of all the applications and processes currently running on your system. Next, look for the Steam Client Web Helper in the list of processes. The Steam Client Web Helper is a component of the Steam application that can sometimes consume more resources than necessary. By managing this process, you can free up more RAM for your games. Scroll through the list until you find it, or use the search function to locate it more quickly. Once you've found the Steam Client Web Helper, you'll need to click on it and then click End Task at the bottom right corner of the Task Manager. Ending this task will stop the process temporarily, freeing up some RAM. Don't worry, this won't close Steam completely. It will just restart the Web Helper process when you open Steam again. Now, open the Steam app on your computer. You can do this by double-clicking the Steam icon on your desktop or finding it through the Start menu. Once Steam is open, navigate to the top left corner and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are listed. Select the game you want to allocate more RAM to by right-clicking on it. A context menu will appear, providing several options. From this menu, click on Properties. This will open a new window with several tabs and settings related to the game. In the Properties window, click on the General tab. This tab includes a section for launch options, which allows you to customize the game's startup parameters. Here, you can enter specific commands to optimize how the game runs on your system. In the Launch Options box, type High, Refresh 90, Max Mem 89920. Let's break down what this command does. The High command prioritizes the game's process in the CPU, potentially improving performance. The Refresh 90 command sets the refresh rate, which can be adjusted according to your monitor's capabilities. Lastly, the MaxMem 88923 command allocates a specific amount of memory to the game. In this case, it sets a maximum of 820 MB, or approximately 8.9 GB of RAM for the game to use. Make sure you have enough RAM available on your system before setting this value to avoid any potential performance issues. Once you've entered the command, close the Properties window. You can now launch the game and enjoy a potentially smoother and more responsive gaming experience. Remember, these settings can be adjusted as needed, so feel free to tweak them to find the best balance for your system's performance. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully allocated more RAM to your Steam games. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.